You're probably watching this video because you received an email asking you to file in Form 40 from CFTC. The email looks something like this: immediate action required, Form 40, has some filing number. And this is actually not a scam. And in this video, I'll tell you why you received that form and whether or not you have to file it in. Hi, my name is Zhenya. I'm a software engineer, head of research at TPG Capital, and a crypto investor since 2017. Now, this email is actually not a scam. Even though it looks like a scam, it has some PRD. I'm not sure why is this important, but it doesn't mention anything about crypto. It doesn't mention Coinbase. It just says that please register and log in at some CFTC portal, gives you a bunch of links, has attachment, and in crypto, this is a red flag. In crypto, you will be scammed. Almost 100%. It's just a question of time. You only can postpone that moment by using a different laptop, always using different email addresses. Never link the main computer where you do your everyday browsing work, and have a separate computer where you do all the crypto related stuff. And when you received emails like this, anything regarding finance, anything regarding, especially anything that's regarding crypto, that is most likely a scam. So naturally, when I received such email, I just dismissed it because that's how you get scammed, by clicking any link, by clicking an attachment. So I ignored it. But then I received an email from Coinbase Chief Compliance Officer Eugene Ferreira asking, or rather again notifying me that I have an outstanding form that I need to fill in. And in this case, he mentions that there is a contact at the CFTC that I can ask any questions. And at this point, I checked that the email was received from actually Coinbase.com. You can also Google Eugene Ferreira and make sure that this person actually works for Coinbase. So at that point, you know that the form and the email is probably legit and it's not a scam. So after that, I did more Googling and I made sure that I'm actually required to file it in. And now, if you just want to skip to the part where how to actually fill in this form, you can skip to the second part of the video. But for now, let's break down why you were asked to fill in this form. Now, what is CFTC? It stands for Commodity Futures Trading Commission, and it's a different agency from SEC, which is Security Exchange Commission. CFTC oversees futures, options, swaps, and SEC is more looking after securities, ETFs, mutual funds. And since Bitcoin is considered digital gold, Bitcoin is a commodity. Now, if you want to be protected by US legal system, I only recommend you to trade on Coinbase and Kraken or Crypto.com, where all the customers are KYC'd and you have to comply with the US laws, pay all the taxes, unfortunately. And if you want to trade on leverage, the only option you have is to trade crypto futures, such as Bitcoin futures, Ethereum futures. Currently on Coinbase as of November 2024, you also have Doge, you also have AVAX futures, but it's limited to only like 10 coins that the futures you can trade. The CFTC introduced Form 40, known as Statement of Reporting Trader, in 2009, and it's used to collect detailed information from traders in the futures market to help the CFTC monitor large trader positions and better understand the impact of these traders on the market. Form 40 provides data on the size and purpose of the traders' positions, which contributes to the CFTC commitments of trader reports. And COT is actually an indicator that you can use in your trading view. Just go to indicators and type in COT, and you have this voted 2030 times by Magic Ian's, and that is for Coinbase Bitcoin USD pair. And here you have this indicator, and if you go into settings, you can see you have commercials, longs, short, commercial, net, all these lines, all these indicators. You can see how people are trading and those large trading, which is more importantly. And this is basically looking at institutional traders. And you have commercials, you have large speculators and small speculators. And when some of these are increasing, that can be used part of your trading system as an indicator. So what are the dangers of not complying and not filing Form 40? Well, CFTC might first issue some fines, and the worst what can happen, they can outright ban you from participating in crypto futures. And in US currently, there is no way to trade crypto on margin unless you do it with futures. Also, Coinbase might just froze your account and your funds will be stuck in there until this whole situation clears out. And for Coinbase, it's much easier to ban your account if they will be receiving all those notifications from CFTC. Now, why you received the request to file 440 is probably because you traded 25 or more contracts. And future contract is the price of future contract is 1/100th of the asset, the underlying asset. In case of Bitcoin, currently it stands at $76,000. One contract is only $660. So if you have a position which is about $20,000 in Bitcoin, that's enough to trigger that request. And if you're using margin and you only need to commit $5,300 of your own funds, if you're using 3.6x margin that Coinbase currently provides, it's an overnight rate. And if you're using the margin that is during the daytime, it's actually 5x, and you only need to commit $3,800 to trigger that request. How to actually file Form 40? First of all, do not click on any links that you receive in emails, especially regarding crypto. I guarantee you now, since more and more people will be trading futures and getting involved with crypto and wanting to use that margin and leverage, more people will be receiving that request, and 100% there will be some scam impersonating the CFTC requests. So go online and type in portal.cftc.gov. Click through, and at first you will be asked to sign in, but you don't have an account, so you need to request an account, which is a little bit unusual process. But you click in request account, and for organization type, you need to pick large trader. Then it's asking you for CFTC code number. You can find that code in the email that you received, filing number, even though it's better if they would keep it as CFTC code number, but whatever. You take the filing number, you copy it, you paste it, you keep the select submission type Form 40, and then you fill in your personal data. Now when you're done, you'll be asked to enter your phone number, and you will receive a text message with the verification code. After that, they will send you another verification code on your email. And when that all said and done, you need to wait at least 2 business days for your account to get verified. I did a mistake. I actually forgot that I just created an account but didn't file Form 40. So just remember that there are 2 steps: creating an account, waiting a little bit, and then filing actual Form 40. After your account being created and verified, go again to portal cftc.gov, log in with your credentials, get the verification code, and in your portal, the only option you will have is to file Form 40. Select Start a New Submission, and you can read through all this. Select Natural Person, enter all your personal data. Now you're being asked, does the reporting trader have a customer omnibus account with future commission merchant, clearing member, or foreign broker? The omnibus account is an account that encapsulates many different accounts, so that's not your case, so just say no. And I hope, or maybe you are you affiliated with any foreign governments? I'm not, so you say no. This doesn't apply. Since we are trading crypto, we are not related to commodity index trading, so both of these are no. And same for swaps. Now this is an important part, and this might be a little bit confusing, but you need to specify exactly what's your subsector, what's your primary business subsector. And here we select the edit subsector. In the new page, you will check Financial Institutions and Investment Management. And in the drop-down, you need to scroll all the way to Other Financial or Trading Entities, Individual Trader and Investor. Click Save. And now your sector and subsector is selected. Now you also need to specify commodity groups. Click the Add Commodity and Commodity Group and select Other and specify Crypto. Click Save. In the purpose, specify Financial Asset Management, and these fields will be auto-populated. Click Continue, and you will be presented with a PDF that you can download for your personal records. Finalize by entering your personal data one more time, and then click Submit, and the Form 40 will be sent. That's all, guys. Now you complied with US laws, and hopefully you won't be bothered. You just set it and forget it, and Coinbase will not send you any more notifications. Sign up to our email newsletter where we post latest technical analysis and major turning points, and I'll see you in the next video.